Yo, what's good, guys? If you're a dude in your 20s or 30s, you've probably noticed that your sex drive can be loud. It's like a background track that's always playing, sometimes drowning out your ability to think straight. If you've ever misread a flirty vibe that wasn't there, or made a dumb call chasing someone you knew wasn't right, that's your sex drive messing with your head. Today, we're diving into how it distorts your thinking, what science says, and most importantly, how to take back control for sharper mental clarity. So stick around, because this one is going to change your game up. Also, my name is Brian, and this channel is all about promoting mental clarity. The combination of a healthy brain and a present mind can change your whole life. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. All right, so let's start with the big picture here. Your sex drive isn't just about feeling horny, it's a biological force that can hijack your perception. Science backs this up. A 2013 study in psychological science by Arnaki and colleagues found that testosterone, the hormone behind your drive, makes men hyper-focused on sexual cues. Translation: you might see flirtation in a smile that's just polite, or read she's into me when she's just being friendly. That's your brain's wiring amplifying sexual signals, distorting how you read the room. It's not just social missteps either. A 2007 study in neuroimage by Hammondman and team used fMRI scans to show that when men are aroused, the amygdala and your limbic system, your emotional hot zones, light up like a Christmas tree. Meanwhile, your prefrontal cortex, the part handling logic and self-control, takes a nap. The result? You're more impulsive, less rational. If you've ever sent a risky text or made a move you regretted, that's your sex drive turning down your brain's clarity dial. Gets worse. A 2010 study in Journal of Cognitive Neuroscience found sexual imagery creates mental noise, tanking your working memory and focus. So if you're distracted by a hot coworker or a spicy Instagram feed, good luck nailing that work deadline. Your sex drive is literally stealing your mental bandwidth. Evolutionary psychology explains why here. A 1993 study in Psychological Review by Buss and Schmidt says men evolved to prioritize mating opportunities, often at the cost of long-term thinking. So back in caveman days, that helped pass on genes, but today it can make you chase short-term thrills over what actually matters, like your goals or relationships. So, how does this play out in your life? So let's break that down. First, your sex drive can make you overestimate interest. A 2008 study in Evolution and Human Behavior by Maynard and team found guys with a high sex drive are more likely to think women are into them, especially when they're already turned on. If you've ever thought she's giving me signals only to realize later that she wasn't, that's your hormones projecting your desire onto reality. Second, it messes with your decisions. A 2016 study in Hormones and Behavior by Van Anders showed testosterone spikes risk-taking in sexual contexts. Think swiping right on someone shady or ignoring red flags because, she's hot. Your sex drive pushes you towards now over smart. Third, it's a focus killer. If you're constantly thinking about sex or scanning for prospects, your brain's too busy to lock in on work, or hobbies, or even just a deep conversation. That's mental fog. It's not just you, it's your biology. So enough about the problem. How do you counter this distortion and reclaim your mental clarity? Got 5 science-backed strategies to work. Let's roll. Number 1, practice mindfulness. A 2011 study in Neuroimage by Holzel and team showed mindfulness meditation boosts prefrontal cortex activity, helping you stay in control when your sex drive tries to take the wheel. So spend 10 minutes a day focusing on your breath or scanning your body for sensations. It's like hitting pause on those impulsive urges so you can see situations clearly, like noticing, okay, she's just being nice, she's not flirting. Number 2, channel energy into exercise. Research in Journal of Sexual Research found physical activity lowers testosterone-driven impulsivity by burning off excess energy. So hit the gym, go for a run, or try yoga for 20 to 30 minutes when you feel that mental itch. It redirects your drive and it clears your head. Number 3, reframe your thoughts. A 2015 study in cognitive therapy and research by Beck and team says challenging distorted thoughts reduces emotional overreactions. So next time you're fixated on someone, ask, is my sex drive amping this up or is this real? Write it down if you need to. It's like putting your brain back in the driver's seat. Number 4, cut arousal triggers. A 2014 study in Psychology of Men and Masculinity by Wright and colleagues linked hypersexualized media to clouded judgment. So audit your environment, maybe mute those thirst trap Instagram accounts or skip the late night scroll. Replace it with something neutral, like a podcast or a book, to keep your brain focused. Number 5, prioritize sleep and nutrition. A 2017 study in Hormones and Behavior by Muhlenbein found poor sleep and diet mess with testosterone balance, making distortions worse. So aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep and eat foods rich in omega-3s like salmon or zinc like nuts. It stabilizes your hormones and keeps your thinking sharp. So here's the deal. Your sex drive is powerful, but it doesn't have to run the show. By understanding how it distorts your thinking through science and using these strategies, you can take back control and think with crystal clear clarity. Whether it's nailing your career, building better relationships, or just feeling more in control of your mind, this is how you level up. So, what's your next step? Pick one strategy from this video, maybe it's the 10 minutes of mindfulness or a quick workout, and try it for a week. And drop a comment below and let me know which one you're starting with, or if you've noticed your sex drive messing with your head. I read every comment, I'll be hyping you. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share this with a friend who needs it, and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.